So in today's video, we are going to be touching up the grinding wheel on a cylindrical grinder. What we have here is a Churchill grinder made in Manchester, England, and it's probably a war-era grinder, but it still works well. So you see the wheel here. We have a nasty gash in the wheel due to a collision with the part, due to excessive feed into the part and or loading of material into the grinding wheel. So we're going to see if we can't clean that up and see if we can get some more life out of this wheel. Otherwise we're going to have to. This is just to give a little taste of what the machine looks like in operation. We're not actually going to grind because we have to clean the wheel up first. And now we're going to move it over. So now we just move the travel over to our pressing wheel. Okay, we're going to move the wheel over to the dresser. Here's our dresser right here. Now our wheel is roughly in position in front of it. Okay, so next we are going to give the dresser a little turn here. We don't have to do this every time we dress, but it's good to do it on occasion so that the diamond doesn't wear unevenly. So give it a little half turn. And tighten it back up. And now we start well out of the way of the wheel as it turns on. First we turn the oil pump on. Next the wheel. Turn off our coolant. Slowly bring the wheel into the dresser. And just let it touch the wheel. And now we are going to just travel across the face of the wheel. Back across. Press our wheel. But likely we will not have removed the big gash we have in our wheel. You can still see it there. So we'll probably be replacing this wheel. So that's the demonstration of dressing a wheel on a cylindrical grinder.